Welcome to Academic Guru's Tutoring Thursday, where we answer all of your high school, college, and university questions. If you would like your question to be featured on next week's Tutoring Thursday, please submit your questions to questions@academicgurusinc.com. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay current with all of our new videos.
Alright, in this video we're going to do some integration. So suppose we have 3x minus 2 divided by square root of x, and we have to integrate this. I like to write my square roots as powers, so I'm going to rewrite this as integral again. So I'm going to have 3x minus 2 raised to the power of, instead of square root of x, I'm just going to have x raised to the power of 1/2. And from here, at first glance you might just say I just take the antiderivative of each piece individually, and that's essentially where a lot of people make mistakes. So what I'm going to do instead is to rewrite this problem even more. So I'm going to have integral, let's see, so I'm going to write 3x to the power of 1 divided by x to the power of 1/2 minus 2 over x to the power of 1/2 again. And then I have my d of x. So let's see, and now we can just divide this out. So we have x raised to the power of 1, and then for the denominator we have x raised to the power of 1/2. So 1 minus 1/2, I'm going to be left with 1/2. So this is going to turn down to be, let's see, 3x raised to the power of 1/2 minus, here I'm going to have 2. I'm going to take this x raised to the power of 1/2 to the numerator, so I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of negative 1/2. 2 times x to the power of negative 1/2. Oops. Negative 1/2. And now this is in the suitable form for me to integrate. So 3 comes out, let's see, we're going to have 3, I'm going to add 1 to x raised to the power of 1/2, so I'm going to have x raised to the power of 3/2, and I'm going to divide it by my new power, so I'm going to have 3/2 minus, same thing here, I'm going to have 2 this time raised to the power of positive 1/2, so this is going to be positive 1/2 all over positive 1/2, and then I'm going to have my constant. Of course, a lot of students forget to write the constant, so keep that in mind. Make sure you always write it. And from here, I'm sorry, let's see. So from here, I'm still going to do some simplification. So 3 and 3 cancel out, so I'll be left with 2 raised to the power of 3/2. And then same thing here, 2x raised to the power of 1/2 divided by 1/2. Dividing by 1/2 is almost like is exactly like multiplying by 2. So I'm going to have minus 4x, again raised to the power of 1/2. And then I'm going to have my constant. And there is your antiderivative for this problem. So again, nothing too difficult here. However, if you're recently introduced to integrals, problems like this can be quite challenging. But I hope this video helped you guys, and as always, please comment, like, and subscribe to stay current with our upcoming videos. Thank you.
Thank you for tuning into our Tutoring Thursday channel. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. We would love to hear from you. Until next week's Tutoring Thursday, happy studying.